The high-level thing is always about saving the planet, but fundamentally it's about saving money, reducing costs. And I think that really is why people spend money, to greatly reduce the overheads, the operating costs of the business. It's an investment. I think we have to be very careful of carbon reduction. I think it's way beyond an aim. It's an absolute necessity. We deal with major corporations, and I think fundamentally most people in their mind understand why they have to improve the efficiency. The green agenda is now mainstream. What I've found in my many years in business is that it's a trend that gets truly adopted when at corporate level they make the decision that they have a green agenda. Then thereafter it is quite interesting as to how long it takes for that to disseminate to the pointy end of the business, the people making the investment. And from my perspective, so many organisations, the cheaper solution is always the older technology, which means your capex is lower, but your operating costs are higher. Higher operating costs in our business means you're spending more on electricity. Spending more on electricity obviously means your carbon footprint is higher. And even though there are very strong business cases where you say, if you invest more, you will spend less in the long run, it takes time for that understanding to filter into the pointy end of the business. The companies who've early adopted this are talking about 80% carbon saving in the cooling space. They're talking of hundreds of £1 million of operating costs saved.